Coming to the master bedroom, here we provided space-saving, stylish solution that combines storage and functionality.
Take a close look at this beautiful sliding wardrobe, complete with working unit and loft.
Let's take a look at how it was before.
As you can see, the interior is well organized with shelves, drawers and hanging rod. The specific layout can be customized to suit our client needs.
Next to the wardrobe, here we provided working unit.
In front of the window, whether you need a space for your laptop, books or simply surface to work on, this unit provides it. In the guest bedroom, we made one more sliding wardrobe in different shade of laminate. Remaining all updates are similar to the master bedroom wardrobe. Finally, coming to the painting part, we had given premium emulsion paint from the brand Asian Paints to this entire house. For the living room and kitchen walls has morning glory shade. The master and guest bedroom wall has again morning glory shade and snowflake shade for this complementary wall. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos about old home renovation, house structural renovation, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation and interior design updates.
If you want to turn your old home into a modern one, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today.